In this short video, I'm going to show you how to make text appear after a certain time in Wix. Now, for this video, I'm going to use this piece of text right here, which is this little paragraph. So what you need to do is to head over to your Wix editor, which is what I'm going to do right now. And I'm going to show you what you need to do to make your text appear after a set period of time. So the first thing I want you to do is to click on the text like this. And then once you've highlighted it, a bunch of different options are going to appear either below or above it. In this case, it's above. So the button I want you to click on is this animation button right here. Then from entrance, as you can see, that's the first option. I want you to press on the fade button right here. So that's the fade animation. Then I want you to click on customize. And from here, you can basically decide what that certain time means for you. Now, bear in mind that this animation is limited to 8 seconds. So basically, once the website loads, once the user previews this particular section of the page, if your text is like further down the page, for example, the text will appear after 8 seconds in this case, but I'm going to put it down to 1.6 just so I can show you, or maybe 2 seconds actually. And once you're happy with the delay, click on the X button right here to save, and let's go ahead and preview the website and see whether the text is going to be delayed. So let's preview and take a look. As you can see, the text has appeared after a certain time. In my case, that's 2 seconds. Like I said, it could be up to 8. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's how to make text appear after a certain time in Wix. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below, and I'll do my best to help you out.